Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix slow downloading into your Google Chrome. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to our Google Chrome, and then here we just need to come over this three dot icon and then scroll down a little bit and go for settings. And after that we will scroll down a little bit and we will go for the system. And then here you can see two options called continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Just uncheck it, and also you just need to uncheck use graphics acceleration when available. After that you just need to come over privacy and security settings, and here you just need to come over delete browsing data. Click on that, go for the advanced section, and now you just need to choose these two options and then click delete data. And after that your all data will be deleted, and it will help to increase your downloading speed. And then you just need to come over the security options, scroll down a little bit, and then here you will find that use secure DNS. So if you just come over select DNS provider, click on that, and here you just need to find these two options called Google Public DNS and Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Select the Cloudflare, and then so you just need to come over this address bar and you just need to type for clone /flags and then click enter. And after that you will get this kind of interface over here, and just here you just need to type parallel downloading. You can see this parallel downloading, and after that you just need to click on the default section, and here you just need to click on enabled. You can see over here enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android and macOS. So here you can see that it will help you to increase your downloading speed into your Google Chrome. And just click on the relaunch, and it helps you to increase your download. And after that you just need to come over this three dot icon, and you just need to check that your Google Chrome is up to date or not. Come over this help section, go for the about Google Chrome, and that you can see over here volume is up to date. So if your Google Chrome is up to date and your problem is not fixed, just come over this reset settings, and here you just need to click on the restore setting to their original defaults. Click reset settings, and now your problem will be all fixed and your downloading speed will be increased. So this is how you can fix your Google Chrome downloading speed into your Windows 10 or 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.